Hello and welcome to week 9 on the course on intellectual property. I am Yogesh Pai, Assistant Professor of Law at National Law University, Delhi. In this particular module, we are going to study two important aspects of intellectual property. The week is comprised of these two modules. One is on plant variety protection, the other one is on the remainder of intellectual property in terms of various different kinds of intellectual property that might not have been studied earlier. So in the module on intellectual property, I am going to take you through what is the concept of plant variety registration. Here we are going to discuss the various kinds of plant varieties that are registrable under the Act, conditions that are required to be met for protection of plant variety. We are going to study the criteria of NDUS, that is novelty, distinctiveness, uniformity and stability. We are also going to look into what kind of plant varieties cannot be registered, what are the benefits of registration of plant varieties. We are also going to discuss the National Gene Fund, the benefit sharing mechanisms and various other issues relating to farmers' rights. It is important to note that the legislation for plant variety protection is combined with the protection for farmers' rights. Hence, various specific limitations and exceptions have been created in the Act for the benefit of farmers. In other module, we are going to discuss the remainder of intellectual property protection, including methods of unfair competition. In this particular module, we are going to study how various unclassified kinds of intellectual property may be sought to be protected, including personality rights and hot news and other kinds of doctrines that may be invoked, sometimes successfully and sometimes not so much, in Indian courts. We are also going to study in this particular module some of the issues concerning semiconductor chip protection and why the Act has not successfully been able to protect semiconductor chips and why it has been unused for so many long years in spite of India's enactment. Finally, I am going to see you at the end of the week. Thank you until then.